Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jess, and if you're new around here, I make videos about hair care as I am a professional hairstylist. I also make vlogs and videos about books. Welcome. This is a safe space. This is a happy place and we're happy to have you. I say we, it's just me here. I'm happy to have you. We're in a different setting for this video today. Usually when I do my hair care videos, we are in my kitchen, which I call the temporary salon or the lockdown salon. So today we're in my bedroom. We're just going to be chatting. We've got the fanny mug next to us. What more could you want? Today I am going to be telling you what the best colour products to buy during lockdown are and why they are the best. This is solely created around lockdown. So this video is solely based around the idea that we're all colouring our hair at home during lockdown while all the salons are closed. I will say this is just my professional opinion, but I have had a fair few years of training. I've been a qualified stylist for about 9-10 years, I believe. I will also state that if you have bleached blonde hair or very light blonde, like verging on white or extremely light blonde hair, then my recommendation to you will be to leave it. And it may seem frustrating, but think about this. The best thing for your hair will be for your stylist to take care of it. All I'll say is don't wash it very often, use good products, get yourself a nice shampoo and conditioner, maybe a leave-in conditioner, some hair oil. Just look after your hair. I mean, you can go and get yourself a bleaching kit. However, it isn't recommendable. The products you can buy in stores are not very good. They're not very kind to your hair. Okay, they lighten your hair, but the colour won't be as vibrant, won't be as fresh. Your hair will feel a lot more dry. The smells and fumes you get from those products aren't good. You do not get the same smells and fumes from professional products. Now, if you're thinking it's okay, I have a Sally's card or a salon service type of card where you can buy professional bleach and developer. Okay, that might be better. However, if you went for the budget product, the lowest quality bleach and developer, it still isn't great for your hair. Not only that, sorry, I don't know what I've done to this. Anyway, so if you buy these professional bleaches and developers, one tip will be buy the lowest level developer. If you have very dark hair, it would be better for you to lift in stages. Do not go and buy a 9 or a 12% developer. You want a 3%. Always go for the lowest level because it is so much better for your hair, so much kinder. Your hair will thank you for it, your stylist will thank you for it, and your hair will genuinely feel better. A lot of bleaches nowadays, if it's a professional product, it will lift your hair to a lovely blonde on 3%. You may have to top up the colour during the process time. And if you are unsure, you can leave me a comment or a message, or you can message your own stylist or a professional you know of that can help guide you through this process. When bleaching or lifting your own hair, it is so important not to drag it through the ends. Your ends will not need lifting as much. If you're unsure of this, please feel free to contact your salon, because the salons will still be there to talk to or for guidance. Some salons may even supply you with a kit that you can top it up yourself at home. This way you are using good products, you're supporting your local salon, and you're keeping them in business. Please, if you're going to do this at home and you have very blonde hair, talk to a professional. Now, moving on to the products that I recommend that you buy if you're going to colour your hair in lockdown. The first product I'm going to talk about is called Hot-Shotz, and it is an Affinage product. They are now moving on to being called ASP, and you can buy these products through Amazon. So Hotshot is a product that kind of sits on top of the hair, but it doesn't actually go in and colour the inside of your hair. That wasn't explained very well. So Hotshot comes in a packet, and you will wash your hair. You will then take the excess water off of your hair, so just towel dry. Then put the Hot-Shotz on your hair, roots included, all the way through if your hair is one colour. Look at the colour choices, pick as you will, and most of them are quite true to colour. However, if your hair is a bit darker, the colours won't be as vibrant. So put the colour all over the hair. You can leave it up to 30 minutes. It is conditioning. It doesn't last a super long time, but you will feel your hair's refreshed. You will feel that your roots blend in. They won't be covered for the whole time, but you will get that sense of feeling good about yourself again, feeling that your colour's been refreshed without that extra bit of damage. Also, the amount that is in this packet, you might be looking at it thinking, do I really want to spend £16 on a packet of colour? I know. However, you do not use this just once. You will have enough in here for maybe 2, 3, 4 applications. And then if you were to buy a supermarket or a store-bought product similar to this item, you will be paying, okay, maybe a third of the price. You will use it once and your hair will not thank you. It will not feel great. It will not have the same result. So money-wise, the Hotshot product does work out better. Next item I'm going to recommend is Osmo Color Psycho. Now these are, you can get the colours or you can get the colour conditioner, which is just a top up. You can get this off of a website called justbeauty.co.uk. I will leave all the links in the description, so if you want to check them out, you can go click on them, see what you fancy buying. These products are vegan, they're cruelty free. They are really, really nourishing for your hair. So the Osmo brand is mostly vibrant colours. So for example, even mine that is kind of a reddy ginger colour, I could put a red or a copper on there just to give it a bit of a boost, to kind of brighten it up a little bit, give it a bit of a shine, make myself feel a bit treated or pampered. That will be my next recommendation. So again, this colour I'm going to talk about is called Adore. I personally do use this brand. Actually, I use every product I'm going to mention. So Adore is a semi-permanent. It's not anything that's mixed in and developed. It just comes in the one bottle, the same as the Osmo or the Hot-Shotz. So Adore is a brand that ranges from vibrant bright colours to also your naturals, coppers, browns, that sort of thing. So if your roots are coming through and you have very dark hair, I would highly recommend this product. It lasts, it feels great, it smells nice. It really works with covering your roots temporarily until you go back to the salon. Yet it still looks really good. Again, it's a product that will have enough in the bottle that you can use it more than once. The price is excellent. You can even buy these from eBay. I have bought them from eBay. Adore is a fairly good brand. Sometimes it might stain your hair and it will be difficult to come out, but I haven't personally had this issue. It is just, I know of people that have had this issue with that brand. Now, if you're listening or watching this thinking, these are all colours that will fade, but I want something permanent. There is only one brand I will highly recommend that you can use from home that is a professional product. However, In my opinion, it is better for you to use these temporary solutions because they are good for your hair, because you can then go to the professional. It saves you money, it's good quality, good prices. I don't think there are any downsides to buying the temporary solutions. So, Pulp Riot is an absolutely fantastic brand. I use their permanent colours, I use their bleach, I use their semi-permanent colours. They are phenomenal. I don't think there's a better bleach out there. It is very pricey, but there just isn't a bleach as good as the Pulp Riot. However, saying this, if you do really want a permanent colour for you to use at home, buy Faction 8. You could go onto Salons Direct. Yes, it will be pricey. It will be amazing for your hair, and they all come out true to how they look. So they are so true to colour. They really do hit the spot when it comes to the coverage you want. I will say again, only buy 3% developer. I do not recommend you buying any other. Again, this is one option for you. You will have to read the instructions and mix them as directed. So make sure you've got some scales or something you can weigh the product with to mix it. I will also say it is better for you to talk directly to a local salon. However, this is a solution if you feel a bit embarrassed or a bit nervous about talking to a salon. Visit the Pulp Riot website. Go on their Instagram. There are so many things you can follow, so many bits of advice. You can watch my last hair video, which was how to apply colour directly to the roots. So you can buy Faction 8, watch my video and kind of follow along. They are smaller boxes, they are smaller tubes. So if you have a lot of hair, I would recommend buying 2 boxes or buy yourself a couple of boxes. It will save you in the long run. And this will last. This is permanent. And if you do overlap slightly, there won't be too much of a banding. Pulp Riot is wonderfully created, so there is very minimum risk of ruining the hair. So if you are on a budget and you're looking at all of these options thinking, my budget means I can't afford this, I want you to think about this in the sense that there are so many reasons why professional items are better. So if you were to go and buy a box dye at your local supermarket or wherever you tend to get them from, okay, you've spent £4, maybe £5 and you've put the colour on. One, it's going to be very flat. Your hair will not shine. It will be mismatched. Even if you're buying the same one, they never come out exactly the same. If you do put it all over your hair, you will find your hair may dry out. You will not find your colour last as long. You will still get colour fade. It will tend to stick on the hair rather than go inside, where you can then condition it and your hair feels lovely and looked after. Box products are not good for your hair. If you are looking to spend maybe £4 or £5, you will be spending that more regularly to try and keep up with the fade that's happening, with the roots that are showing through. It's better for you to save your money and buy one of these items. It will help you in the long run. Your hair will feel amazing. You will feel so good about yourself. Just talk to a professional, please. The better condition your hair is in, the longer your colour will last. For example, I had my colour done before Christmas and there isn't much fade even though it was lightened and you can barely see my roots. It's a professional product. I look after my hair. It blends and I do use a door to cover it temporarily until salons reopen. Okay, I'm a professional and I could possibly do my own. I like going to a salon. I love a head massage. I love having someone else do my hair for me. It is so nice. Using these products, you will get a more even result. These products are made to make sure the hair isn't destroyed, to make sure you feel good when using them. So much investment and time and everything has been put into these products to create something wonderful for your hair. These products also last. They last on your hair. You don't tend to use them all in one go. And both of those things don't happen with a box style or something you can buy just in Boots or in Tesco's. You know, those are just examples, but it will not work as well. Also, this is my last kind of point around this topic, is that if you want to change your colour, say for example tomorrow or whenever I see my stylist next, maybe we'll say that I want to go purple or I want to have a complete change. It will be easy because you've used kind products for your hair, you've used professional products. It will be so easy for them to just snap it out. I say that, but if your hair is black and you're asking them for silver, they may laugh. Just putting that out there. It will be easy if it's a simple change. I mean, getting my hair to a different colour from this would be easy enough. It's been lifted but cared for. It's been lightened, it's been bleached, it's had colour remover on it, but it still feels good. I know it's short, but I am growing it and it looks full of life. You know, it's living a good life. The last tip I want to tell you is getting yourself a good shampoo and conditioner, or a higher end shampoo and conditioner would be amazing for your hair. And it sounds like such a simple thing, and it really is. If you made the switch, one, you wouldn't be washing your hair as much. If you can go to washing your hair once to twice per week, your hair, it will change your life. Also, using a professional product, the better condition your hair is in, the better the colour results. The shampoo and conditioner looks after that colour as well as helps care for your hair. If you went into a supermarket and bought yourself a shampoo and conditioner, I bet you it bubbles and lathers and creates so much of these nice perfumed smells, like maybe apple or something citrus, and it's all bubbly and lovely and it feels great to wash it with. That's because that product is full of perfumes and sulfates, which is actually damaging your hair. For the best hair results, get the best products. Seek advice, like this video, and really do your research. I will be creating more videos to help you help your hair. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you buy some products. I would love to find out what products you're interested in. Please let me know, and thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, please comment, because I'd love to talk to you about hair. I'd love to answer questions, and I can recommend shampoos, I can recommend conditioners, but that could be a whole other video. I do hope you've taken something away from this, and thanks again for listening. Goodbye.